Hi everybody, so it is Talks with Heavenly, and so today, okay, so you guys know obviously I have not been putting any polls, and if you guys haven't hear water in the background, that's Jay. But no, so anyways, so you guys know that I have not been putting any polls in any of the talk videos on Tuesdays for Talks with Heavenly. Well, guess what? They're back. So if you want, go ahead and go on up there, vote for your next topic of Talks with Heavenly. But today, I went ahead and chose one other topic from one other video and everything, and that would be what top 3 places, does it have to be 3? What top 3 places would I like to visit? One of those places would obviously be the UK. And what was it? I want to say like Brazil and everything. Brazil, I've heard that Brazil is really, really pretty. I'm trying to think, like, what other place was it whenever I was younger that I was all like, oh, I want to totally visit there one day. I'm trying to remember what it was. What was it? I know that I want to go to Russia, but people like me in Russia, we don't survive. Okay, so if you happen to live in Russia and you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Let's see, what other place, Jay, what was one of the places that I said that I wanted to visit?
I don't know. You can talk about how you're going to Colorado.
Well, yeah, well, I'll be going to Colorado from what is it from the 9th to the 14th of August. I'll be in Colorado celebrating my birthday because I'll be turning the big 25. And Jay will be turning 26 in September. So, but yeah, I'll be turning 25 this year. My birthday is actually August 3rd. I'm going to be having a small get-together here at the apartment. So, you never know, I might go live on YouTube during then or something and kind of say hi to everybody for my birthday. But other than that, yeah, I'll be in Colorado. But, I don't know.
So, like,
Well, like country. Like what kind of country?
like Iceland.
Iceland.
Yeah, because it's really pretty there.
Czech Republic. That's, I don't know how to actually pronounce that, so please don't
Ireland.
judge me. Ireland. I already said the UK. Yeah, I already said the UK. I'm trying to think of other places.
Is there any other cool questions? Anything else?
So, in other words, I don't know, just let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Like, I don't know, tell me what 3 places that you would like to visit and everything, or, you know, let me know what your birthday is and stuff like that. I don't know. Anyways, just let me know. Jay's over here staring at me and she's making me nervous, okay? She fancies me. Yes, I know. Anyways, I love you all. Please make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to go up there and vote on the polls, and I will see you guys in the next Talks with Heavenly. And out through the week, I'm going to be doing a review on the Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star, and possibly a few other little sneak peek things, items. I don't know. I've been just somehow or another blessed with the idea that for some reason I post 5 videos a week, and somehow videos just fall in my lap, and it's not like I'm pressured to be like, oh gosh, I have to have videos. Anyways, something just happens and I just happen to make it. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye!
Your heart is a burning fuse, catching fire on frozen ground.